Racing just started one slow out and there is Hakuna Matata. We have Pedro Penduko. Break quickly at the start. Carry over in second. Ideal View. Down on the inside. Now is Pretty Bull. As Sikura comes next. Then followed over by Mount Panama. While Hakuna Matata is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Pedro Penduko by about 3 lengths. And in second is Ideal View. Carry over is in the middle portion. Down on the inside. Now is Pretty Bull. Then next on line is Asikuda Mount Panamaw. And a long way back to Hakuna Matata, who's still racing in less. Set out of our turn, we have Pedro Penduko maintaining a 3 lengths lead. And in second is Ideal View. Down on the inside, Pretty Bull. Moving up now on the outside is Asikuda carry over. Then next on line now is Mount Panamaw. While Hakuna Matata still racing in less. And as they swing for home, Pedro Penduko, Ideal View. Asikuda is on the outside. Moving up, we have Asikuda and Ideal View fighting out for the Asikuda now takes command. Ideal View is down on the inside. And finally Asikuda, Ideal View, Pedro Penduko, Pretty Bull, then comes carry over.